Now, DriveWorks in your ecosystem. It's not just a silo, it's a multiplier. One important thing to understand about DriveWorks that it doesn't replace your system. It connects them. You can think of this as a platform to integrate multiple parts of your organization. In this case, this could be engineering in the SOLIDWORks and PDM realm, our manufacturing and operations people in PLM and the ERP, and supplement our sales workflows. Again, it becomes the rules engine between the sales intent and engineering, and then in turn integrating to our downstream customer. So is DriveWorks for everybody? The brutal truth is that there is some best fit type organizations. DriveWorks is best suited for companies that have repeatable customization. Some examples would be organizations that are engineering to order, meaning every order that comes in is re-engineered or semi-engineered to some degree. Configure to order, right, where a customer is actually ordering things off of a menu. High mix, low volume production. Teams that have a growing engineering backlog. Right? It's always hard to find new and competent team members, so how do we become a force multiplier? If every product is truly a one-off R&D project, automation might not be the best fit. But if a pattern exists, this is really where DriveWorks shines. So the reality is there's always going to be a learning curve when implementing a tool such as DriveWorks. That reality is that implementing a tool like DriveWorks is not just a big bang. It really is a journey. Successful implementations generally start small, where we choose one product or family line. We then capture that logic inside the DriveWorks engine and then start proving that value, which then provides us the ability to expand the automation to other parts of our business. The golden rule is you don't automate everything, you automate the right things. So the question is, what are our next steps? So the real question becomes, what's your best fit candidate? Do you have a product family that causes the most engineering pain today? That's usually where DriveWorks delivers the fastest ROI. Engineering to order doesn't mean engineering overloaded.